Hello, my lovely learners. Today we are going to discuss the special identities which are very helpful in all type of exams and which are very basic part of mathematics. So these are the three identities, and these are also called special products. You can see over here uh, the sum of two variables is given here, a plus b, and both the sum of the both variables is having a combined square. So when there is a situation like this, what we'll be doing over here, we will be writing the square of the first term, the first place on the right hand side, and then we will be multiplying the product of both the terms which are given under the square here, and we will multiply it by twice of the product of both terms. And then finally, we will be adding the square of the second term in that square. So it is the first identity. The second one identity is similar. There is a little bit difference of symbol. If here it is positive symbol and here it is negative symbol. And when it is positive, so the product term will contain positive symbol with it, and when it is negative symbol in between the difference between both the terms, then we will be writing the -2 with the product term. -2. There is the difference of plus and minus. And the third type of the identity is when you have the sum and the difference of the same terms. You can see that the first term in both is A, and the second term in both is B. And what is what is there in the first set of parentheses? There is a sum, and in other set of parentheses there is minus. So if same terms have a sum and same terms have a difference, then it is equal to the difference of their squares. The square of the first term minus the square of the second term. So in many questions we will be using these special identities. So let us check the application of these. First of all, let's see the application of very first identity or product formula. You can see, say, so E plus B square. So we will be using some values instead of it. Suppose we have 2x plus 5 square. Now here you can see in place of A we have got 2x, and in place of B we have got 5. But the identity is saying that you should write the square of the first term, then plus 2 twice of the product of the first and the second term, which is having the sum. So 2x is the first term. 2ab, you can see here it is 2ab, but our a now is 2x and our b now is 5. It is our a and it is our b. Now here we will be writing a square plus 2ab plus b square. So our a is 2x, so it is 2x square, and our b is 5, so 2ab we will be right. So it is a, and here we will be writing b, which is 5 now. And at the end we will be writing the square of the second term. Now the identity is expanded. it will become 4x square, and we will multiply these three, and you can see 2 will multiply with 2x, it will become 4x, and 4x multiplied with 5, it will give us 20x. It will become 20x, and the square of 5 will be 25. So in this way, we will be using the special identities for the simplification of some problems. Let's check for the second. 3y minus 7 square. Now here you can see that our a is 3y and our b is 7, and we will be using this identity over here. Our a is 3y and b is minus 7. So first place we have to write the square of a, means we will write 3y square minus twice of the product of both terms whose difference is there it is 7 and plus 7 square. Now it will become 9y square minus, so we will multiply 2 with 3y, it will give us 6y. 6y multiply 7 will be equal to 42y plus 49. So the second identity is simplified, and the third one is, you can see, is the difference. Suppose we have a difference of two terms, means 5 minus 3y 3 5y minus 3 and 5y plus 3. Here you can see the difference of the sum of two terms, then the difference of two terms, their product is there, and here you can see that two terms product is given. First and last term is, first and second term in both the parentheses is same. It is 5y, it is 5y. It is 3, it is 3. What is the difference? It is containing minus and it is containing positive. So here you can see that positive is here, negative is here. So it will not affect the solution. If minus is here and plus is here, we will be using the same technique formula. Now it will become, you can see that a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in the same way, our a is here, in this case is 5y. So here we will be writing 5y square minus 3 square. Now it will become 25y square minus 9. So it is simplified. So it is the application of these three special identities or special products, which are very commonly used in examinations, and in all exams it is asked for different quizzes. It is asked, so practice it and practice all these products, special identities for the better understanding